Successful shingle repair requires basic practical skills, careful attention to safety, and the patience to follow step-by-step instructions precisely. For asphalt shingle patching, the minimum useful skill set includes comfortable use of common hand tools such as a pry bar, hammer, utility knife, measuring tape, and a caulking gun. You must know how to lift and remove a damaged shingle without tearing adjacent ones by sliding a flat pry bar under the shingle tabs and prying up the common nail heads while supporting surrounding material. Measure the damaged area and cut replacement shingles to fit, leaving at least an inch overlap where shingles interlock, and always match the exposure pattern of the existing roof so water sheds correctly. When fastening new shingles, use roofing nails placed just above the adhesive strip and driven flush without overdriving or leaving the nail head proud. 4 nails per standard shingle or 6 for high wind zones is a common guideline, but check local recommendations. Properly seal with a compatible roofing cement by applying a thin, even bead under the shingle tab and pressing the replacement into place to engage the adhesive strip, then seal any exposed nail heads. Safety practices are essential. Work on dry days, use a sturdy ladder tied or held by another person, wear slip-resistant shoes, and consider a simple fall protection method such as a harness anchored to a secure point if you are uncomfortable on slopes. The 3 most common mistakes are rushing the job and failing to align new shingles properly, which creates gaps and leads to leaks, using incorrect fastener placement or overdriving nails, which damages shingles and reduces holding power, and neglecting safety, which results in slips and falls. To avoid misalignment, take time to match the exposure and course lines of existing rows and use chalk lines when necessary so each replacement sits flush. For fasteners, mark the correct nail line visually before you start, drive nails just flush, and use the number of nails recommended for your roof pitch and local wind conditions. For safety, plan the job for calm weather, have an assistant on the ground, carry tools in a canvas bag rather than in your hands while climbing, and stop immediately if conditions change or you feel unsure. Hire help if the roof is steep or the damaged area is extensive. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place where people can share experiences about repairs and trades. We host an active discussion community so our users can ask questions, read real-world tips, and find peers and professionals to compare approaches and trade referrals.